Do you need to extend your internet network to a distance that is too far for standard Ethernet cabling? We make it easy with our custom pre-terminated fiber optic assemblies. With our pre-terminated assemblies, you can extend your network to any distant location. Whether it be to another location within a large building, between two buildings, or to another structure on your property. We offer any Jackie type to fit your installation, whether it be indoor installations, underground installations, or aerial installations. LANshack has been connecting customers of all types, such as the government, educational institutions, installers, and do-it-yourselfers since 1997. Visit our website or connect with us today to find out more.